I am so excited because I got something to show you. I'm gonna play the intro just for this because I'm so excited. You will see it now.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
On an unsuspected, it was an unplanned trip, this one. Our caseworker is very good. He called us last night and he said he's got open space for us at SSI and he will come pick us up. SSN. SSN, that is our social security number. We only have an appointment for the 11th, but like he called us yesterday and he even come picked us up, and now he's taking us where we can go. I don't even know which town it is, but it's outside Raleigh. So yeah, I will keep you updated. This was very fast. We were amazed. We went in because our caseworker, he arranged already yesterday that we will come in just as the walkthrough, and they know about us. We are coming, and he even helped us. He went through us through the whole process of registering our SSN, and now we are done. And he even sticked us with that coffee. Look at this. Yeah,
McDonald's coffee.
a McDonald's coffee. It's the first time we're gonna have a McDonald's coffee in America now. So yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. We are done now. So now it's a matter of just waiting and see when we're gonna get our social security number in the post. So yeah, that was very fast. The lady who helped us was very friendly and she was very competent because it was very quickly. She done everything and she understood the system. So yeah, that is that. Okay, and here it is. 6 days after we went to go do our social security number at the office. So it was our appointment was for the 11th. We went on the 6th, so it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 days earlier, I would say, because our caseworker Ray, I asked him if I can mention his name, at least his first name, and he helped us that day. So we are so excited. We also received our I-797 form. So according to my case officer, we can go now to the businesses if we go hand by hand, and we can apply for jobs, and we have all the documents we need for that. It means Eileen went and gave in her resume. My tongue will always knoop around that name, so bear with me. When she gave in, like I've said on the video, when she gave in her let's say CV, and then she also went immediately for an interview. And then they said she must come back when she have her SSN and her AED. So now she can go back there, do it, and we will see what they need after that, because I understand they will need the fingerprints and still a background check, and I don't know what there is to check because we are only here for 3 weeks in the country. But yeah, so we are now legally in America to work after 3 weeks. Lutheran Resettlement agency. I congratulate you because you are a team and you are really working very nice with us. We are very happy for the work you deliver. It means after 3 weeks, what we landed here in America, we are legally certified to work in America. Cheerio.